Crunchy Clean friends, I want to talk to you about one of my favorite cleaning products company. And no, this is not a sponsored video. They didn't pay me. They don't pay me. Scrub Daddy, reach out if you want to, because I love you guys. But listen, this is just my opinion. I remember watching them on Shark Tank back in 2012. And I'm like, this is a genius product. And Lori got with them and now they've blown up. They're amazing. I even remember that episode of Shark Tank. I thought was funny when the guy demonstrated that you can put your Scrub Daddy sponge on your faucet, like through the mouth, and it just kind of hangs there. That always just stuck with me. I just thought that was funny. Owning a green certified, eco-friendly cleaning business, I try to be very proactive and research the products that I use to clean and disinfect with. And I try to buy from companies that align with my ethos, with my values, and that work great. They're located in my home state of New Jersey. Hey! Anyway, my whole point is this. I love their products. I think it's a fantastic story of how somebody invented something and now is like one of the best scrubbers in the country. Scrub Daddy is awesome. It's made of a secret formula. It's called a cellulose base, which is a resifoam. So what it does is it expands or transforms depending on the temperature of the water.
Wow!
So if it's cold water, it stays hard. If it's hot water, it gets soft and flexible. It's just really fascinating how the scrubber works. And then they have the Scrub Mommy and the Scrub Daddy. They have the Scrub Paste, which I really love. The Scrub Daddy Paste, it's cruelty-free, it's eco-friendly, it's a great paste cream cleaner for ovens or for surfaces if you want to get a little bit more of that grit for cleaning. The Power Paste is a clay-based product. It's non-toxic and biodegradable. It removes mildew, soap scum, grease, or lime scale stained surfaces. It's easy to use and super effective. The Power Erase Gel even comes with a Scrub Mommy, and just like all mommies, we're hard on one side and soft on the other, if you know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's fantastic. I love it. Little bit of advice. Don't go cheap and buy a dollar store version of the Scrub Daddy. I have a video that I made about 4 or 5 years ago. I wanted to try it. I bought a Scrub Daddy dollar store version. Let me tell you, I used it twice to wash my dishes and it started breaking apart. Literally started disintegrating. Like there was just chunks of like whatever this plasticky crap was falling apart and into my sink, and I had to like take it out of the drain before it clogged it. It was a mess. It was a hot mess. Don't go cheap. Buy the real stuff. There's a reason why things are cheap. It was horrible quality. Sorry, Dollar Tree or Dollar General or whatever it was, but don't go cheap when it comes to the Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy. And did you also know you can recycle your Scrub Daddies and Scrub Mommies and get credit towards your next purchase? I was amazed when I heard that. Yes, you can. If you don't know, check out my YouTube video. I have more information about that. But yeah, you can recycle it too. The damp duster. It's just a genius idea. I love it. It comes in the packet, so when you open it, it's kind of already moist to begin with because it's sealed in like a plastic packet. So you just use it to dust and then you rinse it underwater. It wipes away the dust and then you can reuse it. I think I have like 3 or 4 right now, and I've had them for maybe a year and they're still going. They don't get moldy or stinky. I just kind of let it air out and then it hardens when it gets dry, and then you just damp it again with a little bit of water and then you're good to go again. So I'm not using a cloth that I have to wash. I could just use the damp duster. It's a genius idea. Damp duster. I love it. So those are my favorite Scrub Daddy products. I'm going to put my Amazon affiliate links down below so you can grab them. If you don't, that's okay. No hard feelings. But let me just tell you this. They're great products. I'm not being paid to say this. I love them. They're great products. Get them. Use my Amazon link, because if you do use it, then I do get a couple cents. It's not a lot. Maybe if a lot of you buy a lot, then I could become like super rich, but whatever. I'm just sharing it because they're great products. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't talk about it. There's a reason why they're awesome. So check them out. Scrub Daddy, Scrub Mommy. Hey, Scrub Daddy, give me a call. You know what I'm saying? Crunchy Clean by Kathy. Thanks for watching my video. These are my favorite Scrub Daddy tools. I have more videos on my YouTube channel and my TikTok, so make sure to check those out. Make sure the YouTube notifications is on when you subscribe to my channel so you can see when I post new videos. I like to share cleaning tips and tricks, eco-friendly stuff, hiking, nature, recipes, cleaning product recalls, consumer awareness, and organizing and decluttering tips. So check me out on YouTube, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, TikTok, Clapper, my Instagram, my website, and Facebook, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Stay crunchified clean. Peace.